Hi everyone, it's Miss Jen. I'm going to do the snowstorm in a jar experiment. So what we need is a mason jar, about 16 ounces, or it could be bigger, baby oil, iridescent glitter, white paint, and Alka-Seltzer. So I'm going to start by filling the jar 2/3. I'm going to fill the jar 2/3 with baby oil. I'm going to take a little bit. The top is small. I'm going to do it this way to see if it's faster. So I would say this is about 2/3 fill. And now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of water. So I'm going to take some water, pour it into a measuring cup. And then add it. I'm going to move on by adding a squirt of white paint. Okay, then I'm going to mix it until it's combined. Mixing it. So we see the little white particles. It says mix it until it's combined. You want the water to be a nice white color so we can see the oil. So I would say that the water and the white paint is mixed in. So now I'm going to move on. Now we're going to add some glitter to the mix. I just need to take off. I'm just going to add a little bit. It's very hard to see the glitter in here, but I did add some of the blue glitter. And the last step is to break the Alka-Seltzer into small pieces. So now the last step is to add the Alka-Seltzer into the jar. So we see the little bubbles coming up. And now here is our snowstorm in a jar. We see the little bubbles coming up and like mixing around. And I don't think you can see the top, but there's little bubbles on the top. And here is our snowstorm. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and maybe you can do it at home. Enjoy. Bye.